Hi there, is your business ready to shine brighter than ever? Supernova is here to help you do just that. At Supernova, we're revolutionizing solar energy solutions for commercial properties, and we have an incredible offer just for you. Here's what we offer. Solar and battery installation. First, we install solar and battery systems that are 200% larger than your property's needs. This means maximum energy generation for you. Next, we sell the excess power back to your utility company. And guess what? The net profit from these sales is split between your business and Supernova, a new revenue stream with no upfront investment. Have fleet vehicles? You could qualify for up to $120,000 per vehicle with a maximum of $250,000 for semi-trucks. We also offer solar for your roof. Need a new roof? We've got you covered. If your commercial property needs any retrofitting or a new roof, we will replace it at no cost. We also offer EV charging stations. Qualify for EV charging stations at your address and create another revenue stream. The net revenue from these stations is also split 50-50 minus operational expenses. Benefits of our programs include zero electric bills and no cash out of pocket. Plus, you'll gain new revenue streams from excess power sales from solar and EV charging stations. With our solar energy storage and battery backup, you get up to 4 megawatts of continuous power, a peak power of 5 million watts, and a 30-year warranty on all products. Our industrial systems can go up to 20 megawatts per 40-foot container with advanced solid-state technology for more efficiency. High-tech solar and battery systems.